On October 9th, 2024, police responded after an anonymous caller reported that a young man live streaming appeared to be breaking into a building as Hurricane Milton approached Florida. When officers arrived, they found the 18-year-old carrying a knife and moving through the property, leading to a tense confrontation caught entirely on bodycam.
Look, a lot of these doors are locked with keypads. Some of them are just luckily open. You gotta run around until you find one.
Yeah, you're walking up on him right now. He's around a blind corner.
Let me see your hands! Police!
My hands are up.
Get down here! Right now! Oh, well, get down! Get down! Put your phone down!
On the ground, down!
Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Ow! I'm cooperating!
Give me your hands! Give me your hands!
Stop!
I'm cooperating, please! Please, bro, I'm cooperating.
What are you doing, dude?
I was just trying to bro, I was just filming a YouTube video, bro. What the
Do you live here?
No.
So you're doing a YouTube video in a place you don't live? A private unit?
Relax. Relax.
I'm relaxed, bro. What the fuck?
I'll set him up. Yeah. You pat him down? You have anything else on you? Guns, knives,
No,
anything like that?
I have a knife, yes.
Okay. Well, I threw it. It's over there.
What the hell?
Well, you're walking around with a knife with your hand.
Yeah.
Like, what do you think's gonna happen? You think people are just gonna walk by and like, what's going on, dude?
You got something in these bowls.
What?
You got something over there.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's in my pocket, bro.
What is
in my
it?
right pocket.
All right, we're gonna roll you.
Bro, ow!
Stop moving.
I'm literally trying to
Pepper spray?
cooperate.
Really?
What are you
What's
planning on
wrong
happening
with
today, dude?
You're gonna break
What do you? Oh my god.
Oh
it's
my
for
God is right.
It's
You
for
idiot.
defense. I don't know. I never been in a hurricane. I don't know if
So you break
looters are
into
gonna.
a construction building
I
and film
didn't-
a YouTube video. Really?
The door was open. I thought I was allowed to take cover.
Sean insisted he wasn't trying to harm anyone and claimed he had entered the building to take shelter from the approaching storm. Officers, however, questioned why he was carrying a knife and moving through multiple floors of the property.
Pat down and then set him up.
Roll the other side.
Guys, I'm cooperating.
How old are you?
18.
You can put those back. Huh? You can put those up. Yeah.
What room do you keep going to?
It's on the 6th floor, I think.
Well, where's all that stuff at?
Selling generators?
It's mine. I bought it. I have the receipt. What are you talking about?
Hopefully it was worth it.
Yeah, I do too.
Maybe it's been the hurricane in jail.
You turn that off.
Laura, you have your notepad? For anybody else? You got your notepad with you? Actually,
Just turn off the phone.
did we grab a roll up or something?
No.
No?
Let me get a good look at you. All black with a knife. And a mask.
I had it for protection. I don't know where.
From what? The storm?
No, I hear there's looters and stuff. I don't know. I've never been in a hurricane.
Him down to the first floor.
Do you guys think I was out here to harm people or like?
Find the room that he was in so that we can see all that stuff.
That was. When one of you is available, you can give me a call. I'm down on the first floor.
Is that my phone?
contact with this community at all? Right here.
Never mind.
Okay, so your shoes and socks.
Yeah. Sit down. That's your shoes, all right?
One calling.
Great way to start the hurricane.
Covered.
I feel good. I'm sweating.
Then you shoot. Huh? Left shoot.
I mean,
John, show it.
Sorry, in the area. Covered.
You got anything on you? To see if they're gonna find any drugs, they're gonna bump it up the charge.
Oh,
You sure?
I'm
I'm trying to help you. I'm not really, you know.
I didn't know I was doing something that bad.
It's pretty bad.
As officers continued questioning him, the situation became more complicated. Sean revealed that he had stored personal belongings inside the building, including electronics, supplies, food, water, and other equipments.
Can I ask what's gonna happen to my stuff? In my car?
What stuff?
Oh, I have belongings in the room that I was in.
What kind of belongings do you have over there?
Like electronics and cords.
Which room you were in?
The top floor when you walk up the stairs.
The one that we find you on?
No. If you go up the stairwell and you go all the way up to the top floor.
Like top, like 12th
Yeah,
floor?
yeah, 12th floor. And then once you're at the stairs, you walk straight, and then it's the room right in front of the stairs. If you just walk straight once you're up.
Was it open, that room?
Yes.
And you have all your shit over there, yeah?
Yes.
Like what kind of stuff?
My cords and my router,
Uh-huh.
and a generator and gasoline and
The discovery of additional supplies, including a generator and fuel, raised even more questions about how long Sean intended to remain inside the building.
He went up there. He has electronics, he has a generator, there's a gasoline.
can you pull this in there to the cupboard?
Don't worry, it's gonna be all evidence. You're gonna grab it.
Can I tell you where the car keys are? Because they're like a little bit hidden.
Your car keys, you said? They're in that room, yeah? Alright. Sit tight, alright? We'll talk to you in a second. So, he drove here because he has a car key over there.
He drove here?
He just told me, like, hey, well, there's my car key in there. It's hidden. He wanted to tell me, and I just told him that.
Why don't we read him and see what's going on here? Like, huh? Karina? I think he just, let's read him and see what we're looking at.
Sorry, man. What's your first name?
Sean.
Sean?
Yes.
How do you spell that?
S-H-A-U-N.
What floor is all your stuff on?
12th floor.
Do you know what room?
Yeah, the room directly straight ahead when you go to when you finish climbing all the stairs. When you walk straight.
That stairwell you were coming down?
Yeah, if you go to the 12th floor, just straight ahead, that's the room with all my stuff.
So you get off on the staircase.
Yeah, and you just walk straight out to where all the rooms are. You'll see directly it's an open room, or actually it's closed, but it's obvious. But can I tell you where my keys are?
Hold on, 1 second. What? So she'll know where the stairwell that we got him at.
We were what, the 6th floor?
Yeah. But he says it's on the 12th floor is where he has all his stuff. The way he's describing it, and not give me a room number, but he's saying that when you walk off onto the 12th floor from the stairwell, the only thing I can get out of him is you walk straight where all the rooms are, and it's straight ahead, and it's got all this stuff in it. Huh? No, I haven't got that far with him yet. I'm trying to just get the room under. Okay.
Call my work phone.
I just confirmed there's signs on the fence for felony trespassing
Okay.
at a construction site.
Okay. All right. So you're 18 years old, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to read you something, okay? Because I got to ask you some questions and find out what's going on here. But first I need to protect you and me both legally. All right? You ever been read your Miranda warning before? Have you ever, you know what that is?
Not exactly.
You ever watch the show Cops or any sort of TV show where they say you have the right to remain silent and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I have to read you, okay? Because you're in handcuffs, you're in the back of a police car, and you're not free to leave right now. So before I start speaking to you, I have to read this to you so you know your rights. Alright? So, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Okay. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that? You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her present with you before and during questioning. You understand that? If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost to you before and during questioning if you wish. You understand that? You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand that? Do you understand each of these rights that I have explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me
What?
about what's going on today?
I don't know what you have to talk about.
Okay. Well, I would like to talk about why you're in here, but I need a verbal yes or no from you, not a question.
I can talk. I'm just wondering what you want to talk about.
What I want to talk about is why you're here. But I need you to tell me, yes, I want to talk to you about that, or no, I don't want to. I need to.
I'm willing to talk to you
Okay.
about it.
Have you ever been arrested before? You have? Okay. So, you went from wanting to come down to do your live streaming for the hurricane for whatever reason to now you're going to have.
While Sean maintained that he was live streaming the hurricane and looking for shelter, officers warned him about the dangers of entering unfamiliar buildings, especially during an emergency.
Maybe don't go in someone else's house or someone else's apartment. It doesn't matter if you didn't see anything in there. That does not belong to you. That is not your place. And let me tell you something. If I was a homeowner or I owned one of these places and I walked in and saw you sitting in there, I'd have blown your head off. You're in Florida. This isn't Virginia. People down here own guns. And they have right by law to protect their property with firearms. So the danger in what you just did, you're 18 years old, you are way too young to come down here and get shot. Especially during this time right now. Because our governor is not playing around. You didn't see the speech he gave this morning? You don't know what's on the other side of these doors in the state of Florida? Because you don't.
I don't.
Okay, so let this also be a lesson learned.
It is.
Yeah. Alright. I'll be back with you in a little bit.
Also, can I just say, whoever said that they saw me, it was someone watching me. So, no one, I guarantee you, no one, like, in the building physically saw me. It was one of my viewers that called in to get me in trouble. So I'm not sure what they called you guys with. Maybe that's why, maybe just because I had a knife, you guys had your guns drawn, maybe they exaggerated the call. That's what a lot of people do. I know that might sound like not true, but when you have like a lot of people watching, sometimes people call, they say like, this person is holding someone hostage, and
No one said they were holding hostage. They just said somebody was going into a building under construction with a knife in their hand. Copy. He's claiming all that stuff in there. I'll give you guys a call here in a second. Where are the keys at to your car?
It's hard to explain. It's they're kind of hidden.
Where, like, hidden though? Like, to help us out because we don't want your car to get stolen.
I don't think it's gonna get stolen. I mean, aren't you guys just gonna impound it anyway?
Yeah, but if you don't give us the keys, it's going to make the situation a lot harder.
As the investigation wrapped up, officers continued documenting the items Sean had brought with him and prepared to transport him to jail.
Underneath the table, when you walk straight in, like the island in the middle, you just have to like look under the counter, like in between, like
Just you hear them out and I'll
Yeah.
get it.
so
Under the counter, yeah? Like the island in the middle?
The island in the
Yeah.
center of the room. There's the base of the island, and then where the base connects to the counter, if you just look underneath, in between the top of the base and the counter, you'll find the keys wedged in.
All right. Do you have anything else over there that's hidden? Any weapons?
Nothing else is-
All right. Anything in the car that we should be concerned about?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's another knife in there.
Do you know where it is?
Under the passenger seat.
Under the passenger seat? All right. Anything else that you think that you missed? Just gonna help you out, man. If you're gonna keep talking and whatever else there was that we should know before we find it ourselves. Yeah.
Nothing. All I had was survival stuff and defense stuff.
All right. Well, listen. He was right about telling you that you got lucky, man. Like if there would be somebody in that house, they would just blow your head off, man. Like you gotta be careful in Florida. Like it's not really a joke. Like people will do this all the time. Like all the time, we keep responding to the calls like that. So you gotta be careful. I know it's exciting, the hurricane, it's a great spot to see it and stuff, but dude, you're risking way too much. You know, next time you want to do stuff like that, park your car next to the bridge and observe from over there. It's gonna blow your car. Maybe somebody's gonna rescue you, maybe not, but like you have a better chances than just like staying in a place like that. All right. Anything else you want to tell me? No. All right. You good? It's not too tight? Hands are good?
Kind of tell you.
I mean, it is tight anyway, but it will be too tight, you will be like not able to move your hand. Your
How long
ID?
the ride is?
Huh?
Can I ask how long the ride will be?
That's gonna be like 10 minutes. Once we're done, it's gonna be like less than 10 minutes. Your
10
ID
minutes
will be...
away?
Yeah, even closer. Do you have any ID over there? Or no, you don't have it on you.
In my wallet.
In the apartment or is it in the car?
Yeah, in the apartment.
In the apartment, it's like visible somewhere over there?
It's in one of the backpacks in one of the pockets.
Alright. And that apartment, it was furnished already, yeah?
No.
Oh, okay, so like anything that's in there is literally yours. It's not like there's somebody else's stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's clear what will be mine.
Got it. Alright, just sit tight, alright?
In the end, 18-year-old Sean Sharkey was taken into custody and charged with armed burglary of a dwelling, structure, or conveyance, as well as resisting an officer without violence. What began as a hurricane live stream ultimately ended with an arrest and multiple criminal charges.